Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make buttermilk chicken. Firstly, before frying our chicken, we need to marinate it with chili powder, turmeric powder, garlic and ginger paste and some salt. Now on our heated wok, we are going to add a half cube of butter. After our butter have melted, we are going to add minced onion. And now we are going to add our minced garlic and saute them all together well. Now we are going to add some sliced chilli padi and some curry leaves. After mixing our mixture well, now we are going to add evaporated milk. After the mixture has boiled, now we are going to add salt as per taste. And now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar for the sweetness. Mix them together. And now for the last step, we are going to add our chicken. Mix it together with the mixture that we have made, which is called as our buttermilk sauce. Mix them together evenly so that the buttermilk sauce has spread evenly with our chicken. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.